everyone, welcome back to Boardway. So today I'm going to introduce you some more materials. So last time I was talking about plastic sheet, PP hollow, PVC, PVC rigid, acrylic, and PC using in sign industry. Today what I'm going to introduce you is to all these materials using in building materials industry. You must having a question. So can plastic product using in building materials? Yes. So I'm going to show you. Today we're mainly focused on the application they can do to give you some more observe that, oh wow, it's really amazing product. So the first product I'm going to show you is a PP hollow. As you can see, it's PP hollow sheet. And this one was using a lot on the floor protection, but they don't use such thicker thickness. They use a similar thickness like this, like 2 mm and white color, and 1.8 mm with a gray color and also transparent colors. It comes with many other colors too, so let me give you some. So any kind of color, blue, yellow, blue is popular. So it uses a lot for the floor protection. I'm going to show you some picture so you can see. So now let's see how our customer use the products. So they see that's the PP hollow sheet. So in China, we just use some film or some paper for the floor protection when we decoration the house. But film and paper are very thin, so they are very easy to damage, to hurt the floor. So using PP hollow sheet can last longer. Like normally a home decoration will last 3 to 6 months. So firstly, they put their panel on the floor, and then they use the tape to tape them together to make sure they will be flat. So as you can see, here is a 2 meter. So this one is a 2 meter long and then 1.22 width. So our maximum width is 2.1 meters. So you can order the sheet size according to your projects. So just make sure you use the tape between two panels to make sure they are flat, so the worker won't easily be checked on the floor. So this is a PP hollow sheet. This is a PP honeycomb, as I mentioned earlier. See, this is how they do when they just got the panel. They put all of them down and then tape them together. So this might take some time, but for saving more time later. So PP honeycomb for fall protection, popular with 3 mm, 4 mm, and 5 mm thickness. So you can see very flat, and then they can also protect some of the wall because PP materials, plastic is very flexible, so they can be folded or they can be easily cut to any sizes you need. But remember to tape them. This is very important. This one, the house is just built it. They are going to do a lot of project on the wall. So having a flat floor, a safe floor for the worker is very important for your project. So after seeing all these pictures, if you want to learn more information and knowing about the price, feel free to contact with us. So why customer use that on the floor? Firstly, because it's very lightweight, and then second, it's easy to clean up. So after they do all the construction work, they just throw all these materials. It's very, as I said, it's very light, and the price is very cheap. So it's a good materials for the floor protection, and it's a plastic, so the worker working there, it won't make any damage, so they can easily to fill the whole project before they change the new one. So not only that PP hollow sheet using for floor protection, also PP honeycomb also used a lot for the floor protection. Let me show you. But mainly the main thickness customer use for the PP honeycomb is 3 mm, 4 mm, and 5 mm maximum. Is very popular. And why chose PP honeycomb? Because as we mentioned earlier, that PP honeycomb is stronger, much stronger than PP hollow. Also, PP hollow is mainly using in some Asian country, especially like Korean, Japan, use a lot of PP hollow. But for PP honeycomb, it used a lot in Australia, American market. I'm also thinking maybe that Asia, they think that PP hollow is enough for the worker, but in Western country, in like Australia, America, they want something stronger. So when their worker are working on them, they will feel shade. So I guess that's the reason. Of course, PP honeycomb costs a little bit more than PP hollow, but it's also a very good option. And PP honeycomb comes from a matte finish, so it will make the worker working on them feel much safer because it won't easily flip. So I'm going to show you some picture later to let you know how customer use it. Maybe you can use it too.